Guys, myself Sumit Lodha again then from Learn with Lodhas, and in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to pay your service tax dues online. Here we are on to the website of www.aces.gov.in. First of all, one should understand if you need to pay the service tax online, then you must have an online banking account from either of any of these banks which are listed here. In my case, I have an online SBI account, State Bank of India. I will select State Bank of India. Once I will click on that, it will ask for the SSC code and this image verification, the service tax or excise, what you want to pay. You need to select the checkbox. I have put my SSC code, it is 15-digit SSC code. This is my service tax registration number, and image verification I have type 5JL5S and selected service tax. As in I have selected service tax, it will show me what is full name my of against this particular number, uh, premises. All this information will be collected by the system automatically. After that, the most important point, select counting codes for service tax. Here we are. There are different services for which there are different codes for counting. So you need to select the services for which you need to pay service tax. In my case, I need to pay service tax on manpower, equipment, supplies, and services. I have selected this first column. These two columns are for interest and penalties. I need to pay service tax, so I have not selected these two check boxes. I have selected only this one. And apart from manpower services, I need to pay for rent a cab. I have selected 0048 and security agency services 0108. Once I have selected that, come down and here we are, accounting head for service tax. In case of primary education says you have to check this box, and secondary and higher education says you need to check this box. 0298 for primary education says that is 2% of your service tax liability, and secondary and higher education says that is 04426, that is 1% of your service tax liability. Once you have done that, click on submit button and you will find uh, below your all the details about your full name and all. You will find this is the accounting code description, whatever you have selected over there. Manpower supply I have selected, and the cap, security agency, primary and secondary higher education says. Now it will ask for bank name. Just click on this bank name, State Bank of India, and click on proceed. Once you will click on that, the system will ask for the username and password. So username and password, click on submit button. As you will click on submit button, this will fetch the information like this. SSC code once again will appear over here, name of the SSC, address, and all the other details, and the most important details, the amount of service tax which I have fed in the earlier windows. It will appear over here. You can verify whatever the amount you are it's appearing are correct or not. And this is the transaction date and the confirm button. And after putting your transaction password, this e-receipt will be generated from the central service tax payment department. You can see over here your name will appear over here, your address and the telephone number, and your SSC code, that is your service tax registration code, will appear over here. Who has standard, his name will appear over here, and you can see there are four type of payment: manpower, cap, security agency, primary and secondary education says. It is giving the breakup files and total amount 44,974. So this is for all of now. This is all for now. So I hope this tutorial will help you to pay the service tax online. Thank you very much.